To Yardstyle live.
You have skankers and you have dancers. What makes Pata Skeng stand out different from everybody else?
I guess you know, Mr. type of youth who unusual when me a dance. You know what I say? Cause everybody great, you know. Cause greatness not really stop right on my shoes. See my shoes like, and they said stop. Everybody great. But with Pata Skeng, Mr. type of youth who just dance unusual. I'ma bring a different
Flavor.
type of dance to people. And my dancing them heal people. Once you have a dull moment, for me say Pata Skeng a dance, a history. You see, so I just that.
All right, the link with Lali and the leg of the bird, you know, when they come up with Lali and when they're Monster,
Yeah.
how did you get involved in that dance?
Alright. Me and Lali, we have grown a long time. It's a chemistry, because you know where jungle come from. What they say a jungle come from.
You know, your mother used to sell downtown, right in front of Jogans, right? So.
So it's a thing where different. Lali history different, but the whole leg of the bird thing, I was monster dance, definitely. You understand what I say? But in the last part, you have a, it's not a normal dip.
Yeah.
Watch Pata Skeng a dip, because I guess I know tourist is nothing but images, everything.
Yeah.
So, the
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.